Welcome to Fireball Tool. My name's Jason. I'm here to give you the 2018 product line. Let me give you a quick rundown of each of the products real fast. This is the large Omega Square. This is cast iron and aluminum, and its small counterparts, I call them the minis. This is cast iron and aluminum also, 1.5 inches wide by 8 inches tall. This is 12 by 12 by 3. And then over here we have a monster square and its counterpart in aluminum. The minis in cast iron and aluminum. These are 1.5 inches by 8 also, and this is 12 by 12 by 3 inches wide. So what's new for each of these castings is we've added extra material into them, which allows us to drill and tap a hole so that you're able to mount a tab or a fixture or create your own accessories for each of the squares. They all come included with tapped holes that have been CNC machined on location and on a grid pattern so that you're able to reference off of them. Thanks again for letting me take the time to show you a quick overview of our current product line. Be sure to check out fireballtool.com for a more in-depth review of each square, and I look forward to showing you guys more products in the future. Thank you.